So we're here today and we are installing a new lower unit on this beautiful cigarette boat. Do you think that 4 300s is fast enough, or do you think that we should increase it to 4 450s? The owner is considering such a thing on this beautiful speedboat.
Great.
Wow, we have the right color.
I know, because it's the right one.
Fantastic, huh? Do you want the cradle?
Yeah, we'll get it in there.
I don't think there is any.
Well, there's still some.
Yeah, I think it leaked out all the out.
So I just wanted to show you this hole that's in the side of this lower unit. We're not exactly sure how that happened, but you can also see on this other side too. Some good shenanigans going on out at the islands, apparently.
Oh, I don't know. It just the pinion inside of there just tried to escape
Yeah.
and just blew out that way and then blew through this side.
So TJ is arriving and he's going to be helping us with this lower unit too. He's a pro since he did the last one on that Carolina skiff, the red one.
I'm gonna be supervising.
Yeah.
Supervisor. It takes a couple of us to do that.
I think this is remnants from all of the crap that was stuck in here, and it's just slowly been dripping out.
Okay, gotcha.
So one thing that I want to do today is when we get this off,
Mm-hmm.
give this entire inside a clean the best that we can.
Okay, how do we do that with salt away? Or how do you,
Degreaser.
oh, degreaser, okay, gotcha.
Oh, there you go.
I'm still not potty trained.
Ooh.
That's a good one.
I don't want that going in the box. Oh, oil. That's all dirty water.
Yeah. Must have been from when they took it out last, huh?
Well, yeah, because they still keep taking it out.
Yeah, I know.
How about now?
Actually, it's perfect. Yeah, I mean, there's some years of
Oh, look out.
Oh, watch, TJ. Watch your eyeballs.
It's a physical impossibility. You didn't like the hook on here? Yes.
So that's where the super lube is going. Matt keeps asking me, where's that super lube disappearing to?
That's why I was joking around. I was like, hey, we're already almost out. Dude, I put that shit on everything.
I'm like, I have no idea where the super lube. I just keep ordering it.
Like Frank's Red Hot Sauce for us.
I guess we're well lubed, aren't we?
When you actually have the problem and you don't have these electronic shifting,
Right.
put it
What'd you call me?
Put it into gear when you take it out. If you're putting the same one back in,
Yeah.
because then
It's lined up.
it'll be lined up, and then when you're putting this in there, as one person holds it, the other person turns the prop, and it'll make those small adjustments. You good? Yep. It's just a $10,000 lower end.
Yeah.
That's it.
No big deal.
We've only waited 4 months for it. I can't imagine the customer isn't anxious about that. Hey, so what's next on this beauty?
Tilt it down.
Yeah, I mean, we're just gonna put these are all tight.
Seems kind of slow over here at the yard today, huh? At the marina?
Well, yeah, that's the wrong way.
I am definitely going around.
We're going to a boat to check out some air conditioning issues. We're at A&B Marina, and it is not a sunny day here in Key West. Not like normal. This is unusual for us. You can see it's pretty overcast, and there's some rain scheduled in the forecast, but we'll see if it does rain. But yeah, unusual for us to have a cloud cover like this. It's normally scattered or blows out right away in the morning, but I guess it's going to be with us for a while today. All right, so let's get down on the dock and see what we can find. All right, here we go. Old lures. And let's see if anybody's on board. She said there wasn't, but hello. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, she says the air conditioning's not working. It's freezing in here. So let's go get the breaker turned on for that. Let's see, should be Ford's stateroom. Inside. Guessing it's going to be air conditioning too. Go see here. Huh. That's weird.
I'm meeting Chris over here today so that we can test. Looks much different in the water compared to when it was on the stands. This is a beauty. It's pretty nice. We're doing some other work over here too that we will show you here momentarily. I never seen the inside before, so I always stayed down on the ground. Chris and I are here just to test out the motor that we put the new lower unit on. The owner will ultimately take it for a ride to make sure that everything's good to go. Sounds pretty good. Nice. Nice little boat. You can hold a lot of people on this one. Talk about a go fast boat. I think it goes about, I think somebody said about 70 miles an hour. Look at that. Zoom.
All right, so a couple of things that we've been doing on here. Obviously, we just checked the lower unit after we replaced that, and that's good to go.
So Chris, you're hooking this up to back flush it? Is that what you told me?
Because there's no real freshwater back flush for these, we just got a little brass fitting to a barb, hooked that up to the discharge side, the heat exchanger, and I hooked that up to a
Oh, hurry up, here comes an airplane.
And anyway, so we're just gonna put some fresh water in there.
All right, cool.
This is without flushing it. All that is in the cooling system.
Can you bring it up a little bit so I can see? Whoa.
We're gonna try to flush all of that out.
All right.
And that was built up so bad that it was creating an actual solid blockage. Got our fresh water hooked up to the discharge side. There's the hose. There's discharge on there. We're gonna fill this bad boy up with as much as we can while it flushes.
You ready?
Go ahead. And it's off to the races. Turn it off!
Look at all the sand in the bottom.
Oh yeah. A little bit. Oh. It did get a lot of these guys out of there, which are the impeller.
Uh-huh.
Anytime someone changes out an impeller, if you have a shredded impeller, always have them back flush the system because those pieces get stuck in there.
There's sand inside there, huh?
Yeah.
A little bit anyways. Oh, a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot in the bottom.
Yeah, we're gonna do this a couple times and
You
see how
can
good we
see.
go.
You can see here.
Yeah. But it's just fresh water, so.
You got most of it when you first did it.
Yeah.
When you discovered that it was blocked.
All right, turn it on.
Okay. I'm in charge of turning on the water and turning it off when that little thing gets filled up.
All right, turn it off.
He just yelled to me. And it could have been what was in the bottom too, because I shook it.
Yeah.
I don't think anything on this one.
I think we're good to go.
Yeah. All right.